Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT. Comes equipped with a 1.3 liter turbo engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated seats, forward collision alert, as well as lane keep assist, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior here. We're going to have this black and gray interior with lots of extra paneling, cup holder storage at the bottom, right next to your rear trunk release, and as well as the speakers. And that'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accent handle there. And onto the seats here. You're going to have these gray and black heated seats, both cloth, with driver adjustable lumbar here, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents and your lighting control. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and phone and radio control. It's just going to be push to start over here and onto the infotainment here. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, like I said, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as you can access climate. And if you want to see your trip information as well as your gauges, there we go. You can see that throw here. Usually they're on odometer, but they changed it up, so it's just going to be over here. And it's pretty straightforward. Climate controls on the bottom there, the heated seats, 2 USB ports as well as a 12 volt. You're going to have a wireless charging pad. And just above that, you're going to have your race mode, all-wheel drive, auto stop, and lane keep assist. As well as you got the shifter, cup holder storage, and more center console storage. Passenger side is manually adjustable. It's that same two-tone finish, heated as well. Goes all the way across. Speakers and vents up top. And then here you can access just your reading lamps and your OnStar and SOS. You're going to have these 17-inch wheels on Continental Pro Contact tires. You're going to have the paint match mirror caps, as well as the paint match keyless entry door handle, side rails up top, tinted rear glass in the back, and the power liftgate as well, with the 60/40 rear folding seats, lamps and storage, as well as hooks in the back here. We also got extra wheel well storage and tools down below. It's a very spacious room. And moving on to the rear interior, more paneling and storage next to the speaker, power windows and the chrome handle again. Pop it back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with 2 USB ports in the bottom as well as an AC wall charger. Cup holder and armrest right in the center there, lamp up top, and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT. Comes equipped with a 1.3 liter turbo engine, as well as forward collision alert, race mode, lane keep assist, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.